Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. I hope all of you are doing well and safe at home. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of performance of collection agent. That is how you can evaluate the performance of your collection agent automatically. A lot of customers have come with the requirement that they want to check the location of the collection agent and they want to know if the collection has been done perfectly or not. So we have found a solution to it and we have added a collection graph to understand and evaluate the performance of the collection agent. Now, say you want to check what the collection agent is currently doing and uh, you want to evaluate his performance. Now, to do this, if you are looking for a solution, it's going to be time consuming and it is going to take a lot of efforts. So in this case, what will happen if you want to manage the performance of your collection agent? You will need to do it manual way. That is, you will need to appoint a manager or you will need to take the time out to check the current location of your collection agent and to measure the performance of your agent. So this will take efforts and also it will take a lot of time. So the purpose of Jainam software is to reduce your effort and get more work done through automation. So similarly, evaluation of collection agent, evaluation of performance of the collection agent is also being done automatically in Jainam software. So let's see how this can be done. In collection report, collection by staff, let's say I want to check collection for a particular date. So you can see that this is the collection for this date and I'm clicking on the agent's name here. So when I go down, you can see that this is the graph. What this graph depicts is no activity has happened from 10 to 11. Okay. And from between 11 to 1, collections have been done. Okay. By the employee. And then again there has been no collections. This way you can actually this represents what your collection agent has done. Now if you want to do a further analysis on this, that can also be done. Say we have a date range here. So I want to see what has happened or the maximum collection that is being happening for a specific staff for about 1 month. So I'm going to refresh this. So you can see the staff link is here. So when I click on the link, you can see the graph here. So what we can see is in this particular month, you can understand all the collections that has happened in the month, and this will also help you analyze and plan your activity accordingly. So here you can see that collections 10 to 11, again there has been no activity. 11 to 1, actually 11 to 2 is the time where where the collection is at its maximum, and again it is reducing. At 3 o'clock it is reduced, at 4 o'clock it is reduced, and then from 2 to 3 it is reducing, and from 4 to 6 there is no collection, and again there is one collection after 6 o'clock, and again at 8 o'clock it is reducing. So friends, this way, okay, you can do a proper analysis of when the collection is at its maximum, and also this will help you to evaluate the monthly performance of your collection agent. So friends, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. We are coming up with a lot of new features, so please do subscribe our YouTube channel, and also thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.